Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of January 31st, 2012. As always, the charts I show you come from the Trade Navigator software. And the first chart we'll look at is the weekly bond chart, which has basically been sideways since, the last quarter of 2011. Just the volatility's there. They're moving, but just sort of in a major sideways pattern here. Now, they've tried to kind of go out to the upside so far this week. The support right in here, 143.08, they opened above that, and instead of stalling here at 144.24, they've managed to move up just above that. Now, we've got plenty of other stuff up here. The previous swing high here, it's at about 146.11, and they could be targeting the 146.27 area back in this vicinity. But whatever the case may be, it looks like they're wanting to go higher, but as long as they're sideways, you have to assume it's just a just a test of the sideways top, and that they'll turn back down again. If they do blow on out of here and get up above this purple line here, then we could see, well, two things. We could see a real serious rally in bonds, and it could mean that the U.S. economy is in major trouble. But for now, the momentum indicator down here says things really aren't just that good unless this crossover is going to continue and just rocket up here. So it's possible. I mean, I wouldn't rule out the possibility, but at this time we just assume that they're testing the highs again. In stocks, we have a much different situation. We have this rather relentless climb up on low volume, low volatility here that's basically started last December and has been occurring all year. We finally have a little breakdown here, but that seemed to stall right in the 1300 area where you have the confluence of the green and blue lines here. The red line here is 1311, and it could act as resistance, but it certainly looks like they want to go test this high here. This is the blue line is 1327, and you would think that the 1327 to 1330 area is what they're really going to try to go through this week. Now, it's possible that they'll continue right on up and get back into this uptrend, but for now, just holding this support looks pretty good. And I'd expect them to go back up into the 1330 area. If they decide to break down instead, we've only got 1285 here to hold them, or else we may see them all the way back to 1250. Now, if you could kind of close your eyes, squint a little bit and envision that, even if they break back down like this, see it roll over and break back down here, that really won't look bad. It'll still be, kind of at the top of this sideways congestion area here. They could certainly break that low and then still rally in the big picture. But for now, I'm thinking that they want to go higher, and unless we get nasty news from any of the employment reports at the end of this week, and we do have 3 of them, but unless they get some sort of bad news from them, I expect they want to try the 1325 to 1330 area, and we'll see what happens when they get there. So that's what we've got for you this week. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for looking to see what we think. Hopefully we'll talk to you next week.